Good morning everyone. Today we're going to be replacing a BMW badge on the front of a BMW. The BMW I'm going to do this on is an E83 X3 and let's see if I can show you the badge. Show you the badge. Falling in. How are we doing? There it is down here. Difficult to see. I might do some holding. So this is got a couple of pegs that hold it on underneath. There's two that we can see in the package. It should come off, but you do need to get under it to do it. My fingernails are just about gripping it, but they're really not pulling it up. So I'm going to see if I can move you back here a bit and do a bit of gentle prying. A couple of tools. I've got a very fine scraper and I've got some cardboard. I'm going to put the cardboard right next to this and the scraper just under the edge. Without damaging the paintwork, I'm going to just try and pry this up. I'm not going to use much force. I'm going to do it in quite a few different places until it starts to ease up. It's obviously a metal tool. I don't want the metal against the paintwork at all. There we go. I can feel it's moving. And that cardboard in there. You can see it starting to move. Might be able to get my fingernails under there now. Let's have a go. There we go. Gosh, that's a tough one, this. Been on there for 17 years, so not expecting it to really want to come off. It's good, means they're hard to steal. Good click down again on this side. Come on, there we go. Cool. It's a tough one. Thickening this up a bit. It's determined to go back down. I think a screwdriver at this point might be the way forward. Definitely don't want to come off there. There we go. I just folded this card quite a few times there. That's helped convince it. Right, so now when we look at this mess, what we see is there's a couple of lumps at the edge of these nubs that means it's hard for it to pull out, makes it hard to steal. One of the plastic bungs has come off with the peg on this one, that's fine. I've got new plastic bungs on the new one, and if I get my rag here, see the bonnet's quite wet, I'll get some water and just clean this out. It's just slime from where the car's got road muck on it. Take that one out as well, there we go. May as well use the new ones. There's actually a part number stamped under the hole of the badge here. It says S0518H06, which I guess means it's either made in 05 or 06. This is a 06 reg car, so that doesn't surprise me. Right, now the new one. Take this out of this packet. This is an aftermarket one, it's not an original. They're quite inexpensive, and yeah, because they fit so many cars, quite a few people are making them. It looks pretty cool. Though I was fairly happy that was going to be as good as the, or similarly good to a BMW one. It is a very old car, as I said. Not overly worried. These should just pop in here. Really just trying to make this car look nice again. It does have a plastic protective film on it there. I'm going to peel that a bit so I can get it off. Make sure you put it the right way up. That should go on there, like that, and it should just pop down in there, like that. And that should just peel off like that. And you know what? I think that looks bloody amazing. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm going to do the back one as well, so look out for that video. Have a great one. Take care.